What if I told you that just 5 tiny habits could drastically reduce your risk of heart disease, without any fancy equipment or expensive medicine? Yes, it's true. You don't need to run a marathon or give up all your favorite foods. In this video, I'll show you 5 daily habits backed by science that can protect, strengthen, and support your heart health. And they're so simple, anyone can start today. Let's get into it. Heart disease is still the #1 killer worldwide, and in the US alone, nearly 1 in 4 deaths are from cardiovascular issues. The good news? Up to 80% of heart disease can be prevented with lifestyle changes. That's right, just small, consistent habits, and that's exactly what we're talking about today. Habit hash 1, 10-minute post-meal walk. After you eat, especially carb-heavy meals, your blood sugar spikes. But just a short 10-minute walk after eating can significantly lower post-meal blood sugar and insulin levels. This helps your heart and arteries stay healthier. Multiple studies, including one in diabetes care, showed that light walking after meals reduced blood sugar by up to 22%. So don't lie down after eating. Just take a stroll around your house, garden, or street. It makes a big difference. Habit hash 2, 1 spoon of omega-3. Daily omega-3 fatty acids are like natural shields for your heart. They help lower triglycerides, reduce inflammation, and support blood vessel flexibility. You can get omega-3 fatty acids through flaxseed or chia seeds. Salmon is also the best source of omega-3 fatty acids. According to the American Heart Association, regular omega-3 intake reduces the risk of heart attacks and arrhythmias. Habit hash 3, drink water. First thing in the morning. Sounds too simple, right? But hydration is essential for heart function. Overnight dehydration thickens your blood, which can slightly increase your morning risk of heart events. Start your day with a full glass of water. It helps blood flow, supports kidney function, and improves energy. Habit hash 4, sleep 7-8 hours, same time every night. Your heart needs rest just like any other muscle. People who sleep less than 6 hours have a 20% higher risk of heart disease, according to Harvard research. But it's not just about quantity, it's about consistency. Going to bed at the same time trains your internal clock, reduces blood pressure variability, and lowers nighttime stress hormones. So ditch the scrolling and build a sleep routine your heart will love. Habit hash 5, eat 1 low-sodium meal a day. Excess salt increases blood pressure, no surprise there. But instead of trying to go 100% salt-free, just start by making 1 meal a day low-sodium. Use herbs like garlic, turmeric, or basil for flavor instead of processed sauces and seasonings. Long-term, this reduces strain on your arteries and lowers stroke risk. Always remember, small changes lead to big wins. All right, let's recap these 5 tiny habits you can start today. 1. Take a 10-minute walk after meals. 2. Add omega-3s daily. 3. Drink water first thing in the morning. 4. Sleep 7-8 hours at the same time each night. 5. Make 1 meal a day low sodium. They may look small, but they have a huge impact over time, and they're 100% doable. Which of these habits are you already doing or planning to start? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with someone who cares about their heart. At School of Medicines, we believe small knowledge creates big change. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next